So ለረጅም ጊዜ I liked stories በጣም ስቶሪ ቴለሮች በጣም ነው የሚመቹኝ። From comedians to keynote speakers, I used to listen to so many speeches, especially since high school now. I always wanted to be like them, not just stage level ብቻ ሳይሆን in regular life. You know, your friend group, there's always that dude or that person who makes everything a story and who's interesting to listen to. I wanted to become that person because I struggled with that. በዚህ ሀሳቤን እያወራሁ በግሩፕም ሆነ ዋን ቱ ዋን አንዳንዴ አይዲያው አለኝ ግን I don't know how to express it እና ብዙ አይዲያዎቼ በደንብ አድርጌ like ስቶሪ ፎርም ኤክስፕሌን ስለማላረጋቸው ኤክስፕሬስ ስለማላረጋቸው ቦሪንግ they get flat እና አንዳንዴ እዚህ ከሰው ጋር እያወራሁ I see them tuning out of the conversation because ብዙ unstructured የሆነ ፋክት ዝም ብዬ ኢንፎርሜሽን እየወረወርኩባቸው ስለሆነ and from the videos I've seen those who admire when they speak ምን ያደርጋሉ? They're giving you information, they're making you think, they're making you feel, and they're moving you basically. And now they're talking about the same thing I'm talking about. Okay? እነሱ ሲያወሩ somehow it's easy for the ears. And what I found out is ሲያወሩ ዝም ብለው unstructured የሆነ ኢንፎርሜሽን አይደለም ለሰዎች ኤክስፕሬስ የሚያደርጉት ግን digestible በሆነ ፎርም አድርገው ነው የሚያቀርቡት, which is storytelling. So I started to በቃ እኔ ጥሩ ስቶሪ ቴለር መሆን አለብኝ ብዬ ወሰንኩኝና ግን when I thought about it, okay, ቴክኒኮቹን አየሁ ምን ስቶሪ ምን ያካትታል ወዘተረፈ ግን in everyday life to become a good storyteller ስቶሪ ያስፈልጋል ማለት ስቶሪዎቹን ከየት ነው የምናመጣቸው? አንዳንዴ ስቶሪ ልናገር ብዬ አስብና ወይደር ሰዎች ጋር ሆነ ዋን ቱ ዋን ኮንቨርሴሽን ኦር ኦን ስቴጅ ከሰው ስቶሪ ልናገርልና ግን ማይ ብሬን ጎዝ ብላንክ. ሶ the question became, how do you come up with stories? That's why I'm reading Storyworthy, because it talks about personal story እና እንዴት personal storyያችንን ክራፍት እንደምናደርግ. So let me share with you three techniques, 3 methods to come up with stories, personal stories. So የመጀመሪያው is በቃ to journal every day. የ5 ደቂቃ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ነው። at the end of the day ቁጭ እንላለን። ከዛ በኋላ ኦኬ ቀናችን እንዴት ሄደ ምናምን የሚለውን we'll go over it on our head. ከዛ በኋላ እዛ ቀናችን ላይ ያሉ ሞመንቶች ስታንድ አውት የሚያደርጉ ፖቴንሻሊ ስቶሪ ሊሆኑ ይችሉ፣ ያስተማሩ፣ በጣም ፍረስትሬት ያደረጉ even the most random የሆኑ everyday ሞመንቶች the ones we feel like they stood out to us አንድ ላይን ወይ 2 ላይን እንጽፋለን ማለት ነው። so basically every day ሙሉ ስቶሪ መጻፍ አይደለም, that would be exhausting እና time consuming. the idea is to capture ሞመንቶችን so በአንድ ላይን ወይ በ2 ላይን ካፕቸር አድርጋችሁ ታስቀምጣላችሁ so that next time መጣችሁ ስታዩት you can remember the moment. ከዛ በኋላ ፖቴንሻል ስቶሪ ያላቸውን ደግሞ you'll turn them into stories. That way if you do that for 7 days for example, now out of the 7 days if you have actually 3 story worthy moments, that's 3 stories per week, you know, more than you can tell. So ሁለተኛው ደግሞ there is this activity in the book called Crash and Burn, which is basically free writing. So there are 3 rules here. የመጀመሪያው is ጀጅ ማድረግ አንችልም። whatever አይዲያ ጭንቅላታችን ላይ የሚመጣው without judgment መጻፍ አለብን። ኤምባረሲንግ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አብሰርድ የሆኑ ሀሳቦች ሊሆን ይችላሉ፣ ዊርድ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። just have to write it down. ምንም አይነት ማቋረጥ አያስፈልግም፣ ያለ ማቋረጥ መጻፍ። so the second rule is ለሚመጡልን ሀሳቦች አታችድ መሆን የለብንም። ያ ማለት ለምሳሌ እየጻፍን አንድ ሀሳብ እየጻፍን አሪፍ መስሎ ከታየን we shouldn't stay there. Instead we should immediately move to the next thing that comes to our mind. Instead of አንዱ ላይ ፎከስ አድርጎ ይሄ አሪፍ ሀሳብ ነው ብሎ እሱ ላይ አታችዶ ነው ከመቅረት በአይዲያ ስትሪም ኦፍ ኮንሽስነስ ማለትም ጭንቅላታችን ላይ የሚመጣውን አይዲያዎች፣ ሀሳቦች without any regulation, without any judgment, without any interference ቀጥታ ወረቀት ላይ ማስቀመጥ or keyboard ላይ whatever you choose to write with. And the third is you can't stop. The third rule ማቆም አትችሉም። ማለትም አንድ መጽሐፍ ከጀመራችሁ በኋላ even if ጭንቅላታችሁ ብላንክ ሲሆን ያንን ሞመንት ለመብላት you can use lists. ለምሳሌ the book mentions colors, you can use colors like red, green እያላችሁ መዘርዘር ትችላላችሁ. Or anything of your favorite that's familiar to you, you can list them, including numbers. But for numbers, when you read numbers, sorry my eyes, when you list numbers, the numbers have to be written in word form. So that's crash and burn. Basically ለ10 or 15 ደቂቃ ዴይሊ እሱን ካደረጋችሁ you have የሆነ ኢንትሪ፣ ከዛ ኢንትሪ ላይ ደግሞ ትሬዶች ትመርጣላችሁ ማለት ነው። you'll go over that እና ስቶሪ ወይም ነው ብላችሁ የምታስቡት or ደግሞ something ትሪገር ሊያደርግ ይችላል ብላችሁ የምታስቡትን ላይኖች መርጣችሁ ትወስዳላችሁ። ከዛ በኋላ the same as the first activity later on መጣችሁ expand ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። And the third technique is first, last, best, worst የሚል activity. So basically table ትሰራላችሁ. On the first row is prompt, first, last, best, worst. And ከስር ደግሞ እያንዳንዱ ሮ ላይ ደግሞ ወደታች prompt ይኖራል። ለምሳሌ ኬስ ፕሮምፕቱ ኬስ ከሆነ what was your first kiss, what was your last kiss, what was your best kiss, what was your worst kiss. ከዛ የምንጽፈው ወርዶች ነው። ከዛ እንደዚህ የለም ብዙ ሊስት ማድረግ እንችላለን። what's your favorite food, any category prompt ላይ ልናደርግ እንችላለን። ለእያንዳንዱ prompt your first, your last, your best, your worst ሊስት ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። based on that እያንዳንዱ entry could be turned into a story. For example, your first kiss, your last kiss, your best kiss, so ከዛ ውስጥ አንድ ሊስት ካደረጋችሁ በኋላ you'll go over it and okay የትኛው and then ስኮር ታደርጉታላችሁ። ስኮር የምታደርጉት የመጀመሪያው is signal for a potential story። ይሄ ፖቴንሻል ስቶሪ አለው ብላችሁ የምታስቡ ከሆነ ለምሳሌ your first kiss might have been so dramatic or your last kiss, your worst kiss might have been disaster, you know, it might be funny ምናምን እሱ ላይ ስቶሪ አለ ብላችሁ ካሰባችሁ ከኢንተርቪው ጎን under braces ኤስ ማርክ ታደርጉታላችሁ። and potentially ደግሞ አነክዶት አለው ብላችሁ ካሰባችሁ ኢንተርቪው ከጎኑ ኤ ብላችሁ ማርክ ታደርጉታላችሁ ማለት ነው። so and then you'll go over it, filter out ታደርጋላችሁ potential story ያላቸውን and then you'll turn those into full stories ማለት ነው። this way እነዚህ ስሪ አክቲቪቲዎች endless የሆኑ possible stories እንትን ነው from our life and now we can turn those and craft them into stories. That way for any scenario, any situation, especially about yourself, you have so many personal stories. This is what I have learned from this book and I think it's already changing the way I view my personal story because ከዚህ በፊት ስለ ራሴ ስቶሪ ሳስብ ብዙ ያለኝ አይመስለኝም ነበረ because ጭንቅላቴ ላይ ምንም ስለማይመጣ what I realized is ብዙ ስቶሪ መናገር ጥሩ ስቶሪ ቴለር መሆን ከፈለጋችሁ ብዙ ስቶሪ ያስፈልጋችኋል and to come up with many stories ደግሞ you have to create story inventory ማለትም በቃ ተዘጋጅ የተቀመጡ ስቶሪዎች ሊኖሩ ይችላሉ so that let's think of it as a box. የሆነ ቦክስ አላችሁ and your personal stories are crafted and put there. so እዛ ቦክስ ውስጥ ደግሞ ትናንሽ ኮንቴነሮች አሉ ሌብል ያላቸው ፋኒ አኔክዶትስ አስተማሪ የሆኑ ሳይድ ስቶሪ ሪሌተብል ኢሞሽናል whatever the levels are እዛ ውስጥ ደግሞ ስቶሪዎች አሉ so depending on where we are, who we're talking to, what we're talking about, we can put so many of the stories out and use them. That way we can become great storytellers with so many stories to tell. That's what I've learned. Hope you find that useful. And also read the book. It's not that big of a book, but ብዙ ነገር ታገኙበታላችሁ just like I did. Peace. out.